Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Amy. This is going to be a yarn unboxing and review. I had made a square from a tutorial by the Loopy Stitch. Beautiful. It's called Splendid Serendipity or something. But just to try it, I loved the colors that she used, but just to see if I could do it, I used a 4-weight yarn, which she uses a DK, and I just used a variegated ugly yarn that I had just to practice to see if I could do it. So once I saw that I could do it, and I would never show myself making someone else's stuff. I always, if I put a short, I always put just a picture of the finished block or the finished product, and then credit the person that it came from, obviously, because I don't design or anything like that. I would never show someone how to do someone else's. So I wanted to make the Afghan or the throw, and I had to order the yarn. And the rest of it just came. It's a total of 8 colors. It is it's Stylecraft Special Double Knit, 100% premium acrylic, and it calls for a 4mm hook, but her tutorial calls for a 4.5. And I didn't have a 4.5 ergonomic hook, so I ordered a Furls. I've heard really great things about Furls, and I've already tried it, and I do like it. But last year, I think, I had made a review on these Susan Bates ergonomic hooks. And when I first tried to use them, I wasn't crazy about them because I just wasn't used to this, how long this is. Now I'm in love with them. Don't try to take my Susan Bates ergonomic hooks, because these are my go-to hooks. But I got those in a set ranging. There's a 4. There's not a 4.5. There's a 5. There's a 5.5. There's a 6 and a 6.5. And for baby blankets, I had to use I ordered some other ergonomic hooks that were a 3 and a 3.5, but I don't even know what brand those are. But for this, it called for 4.5, so I thought, well, I'm going to try Furls. And I've tried it, just, and I like it. But, the colors, it called for 5 mustard. This is tomato. It called for 2 of every color, and there's 8 colors. Except for the mustard, it called for 5, and I think 3 pistachio, which must be in this bag because they came in 2 separate shipments. This is the color Lincoln. It feels really good. I think I got it on Amazon. Gold. So I've covered all those colors. I've already opened up a gold because I wanted to show the hook. Kind of do a yarn unboxing, yarn review, and hook reviews. Because I meant to go back in and, redo or do an update on the Susan Bates ergonomic hooks. And I forgot. So here are the other colors. This is the lipstick, I'm going to assume. Lipstick. Called for 2 of those. The pistachio. Isn't that pretty? Called for 3 of these. To make the whole throw. I can't remember now how many squares it is. So 3 pistachio. This must be cypress. Cypress. Isn't that pretty? And I didn't think I would like these colors together, but I do. And this is spice. So those let's see. It'll be made of 3, 4, the gold, 5, 6, 7. No, wait, that's the same thing. Duh. 8. It'll be made up, the squares. That's not 8. What am I missing? Tomato. No, that's tomato. I'm missing something. Oh. The Lincoln. So it'll be made up of all these colors. And again, that's the loopy stitch. She has a pattern available if you click in the link and everything. But now I'm going to just, because I've never used this yarn, but I have tried the Furls Hook, and I like it. I like it a lot. My hands don't want to work today. But if you have carpal tunnel issues, I mean, this just, it grabs the yarn good. I like it. So I needed a 4.5 of that. And then so, let's say I'll use a 4 of my Susan Bates. Because again, when I first got them, I just wasn't, the only ergonomic that I had at that time was a boy. And it had a shorter, I don't know what that's called. So this is a 4 in the Susan Bates ergonomic. And I love these hooks. And as long as I'm making something that's, I just had to learn how to use them. I do have to go up here a little bit. So that when I first got it, I was trying to do this down here, and I'm like, wait a second, that's not. But I just had to adjust how I held it, and I love it. So I love them. But I thought I'd try Furls, because it's bigger here, and it's a streamline, I think. I don't understand all that stuff either. I just, whatever feels good. So, if you have carpal tunnel or want to keep from getting carpal tunnel, I highly recommend these Susan Bates hooks. And now that I have a Furls, I can highly recommend it. And, you know, I said I was used to the Walmart boy brand ergonomic, was the only one that I had before I got the Susan Bates. It has a shorter thingy, but if you're having to do like puffs or, you know, a bunch of double crochets together or something like that, the more room you have here, the better. So, and then this one has room there as well. So this is the hook I needed for that. I like this yarn. I think this is, it's from another country. It's 100 grams. I think it's from another country. I don't know. But I've never used it until now, so I'm going to start making those squares because I absolutely love that throw. And I think the reason she had more mustard color is because she shows how to do a zigzag stitch, and I think that's what she uses to join the squares. So I will see you all. I'm gonna have a craft video uploading here probably tomorrow, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a good day.